Hello, in this video I want to show you how to do the box stitch or rib block. This is what the front of it looks like, and this is what the back of it looks like, and of course this is done with a bulky weight yarn. I want to show you with a worsted weight yarn how to do this. And all this stitch is, of course, is a combination of your knit stitch and your purl stitch. But let me grab the chart. Here is the chart for it. You E-wrap 2, purl 2, E-wrap 2, purl 2, then your second row you E-wrap 2, purl 2. You just rotate that back and forth, and on your third and fourth row you switch it, and you just keep repeating these 4 rows until you're done. So we'll start with just casting on, let me see, 2, 4, 6, there's 8, that's good. And to finish our cast on, E-wrap back. Almost there. Let me zoom this in some. We'll take the bottom over the top. Oops. There we go. Okay, so we will E-wrap 2, which we got our first one and our second one. We will purl 2. Get that out of the way. We'll E-wrap 2 and then purl 2. So that's your row 1. You'll go back and take all the extra stitches off, so everything will just have one stitch on it. Now going back, you're going to repeat that same row again. Now when you're reading these patterns, this way back, I wouldn't necessarily, some of the patterns will show this way, but my first way down I followed it like this. Just like that. On my way back, I don't necessarily follow each peg like that. I have to kind of switch it around because I want all the stitches in this row to come from this peg. All of them in that row to be on that peg. All the way down. I wanted to point that out because I've heard some confusion on that aspect of reading some of these charts. Okay, so your second row is the same as your first row. So if you E-wrapped it, you E-wrap it. If you purled it, you purl it. All the way back to your first peg. Okay. Got your first 2 done. Now to do the second part of this stitch, which is where now you reverse the stitches. Since these ones were E-wrapped, they will now be purled. Which this is a really nice stitch to use in hats and scarves, or even for footies and slippers and stuff like that. It's just a very, well, you can use it for blankets too if you wanted. It's just, it has a very nice texture to it. It's going to lay flat. See, in the front and the back. It's pretty much one of those reversible stitches, which not all stitches are. So I really, really like this stitch. Okay, so that's your third row. And now your fourth row is actually going to be a copy of your third row. Alright, row 4, you're going to do just the same as row 3. So we'll E-wrap, purl, And we're going to E-wrap. And purl the last two. Okay, and really that's all there is to it. You just do row 1, 2, 3, and 4, which is just row 1 and 2 are the same, row 3 and 4 are the same, and then you just repeat those 4 rows however wide you want in a project. And it is a lovely stitch. I really like it. Kind of have like these diagonal little puffy spots. It's really nice. I like it. Okay. I hope this video was helpful. Any questions or comments, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.